What is up today, YouTube? So, today we have a box, and let me explain two quick things. If you hear a voice crack, I blew my throat out, so that's why. Second thing, I can't skate for a little while. More or less, I may have fallen down my stairs and got my pinky toe caught in my railing at the bottom. And as far as I can tell, it's not broken, but it's only been a week and it's still pretty swollen and purple. So hopefully we'll be back to skating soon. But once this portion of the video is done, I actually do have a short video already made of learning nollie flips. So stay tuned for that. But first we're gonna get into this unboxing. So I ordered from Revive a couple of skateboards. They're running a thing right now where you get 2 decks and 2 sheets of grip for like $65 with free shipping. So obviously $32 for a deck and grip, I'm in. The downside is you can't pick your graphics. They will randomly choose graphics for you. And 825 is my traditional size. I had to get 8.5. Now the cool thing is they've been including videos by Andy Schrock, inspirational videos, little things like that. But I specifically asked for them to write an inspirational quote on the packing slip so I can throw it up in here and explain about this. And I did get that little video, and he said he wrote it on the packing slip. So let's dive into this. Alright, so the 2 sheets of grip. And then I will show you guys first before I look at them. So that's cool. Doug Desautel's a pro model, and it's a riff on Tony Hawk's Pro Skater. So pretty cool, pretty nifty. Boom. And Jason Park, Revive Skate Boy. So 2 pro models, awesome. They look great. I'm guessing this is probably some stickers and the packing slip. So let's open this up and find out. Come on. So yeah, actually a decent bit, put that down here, decent bit of stickers, or I guess technically 2, but 2 large stickers, so that's cool. He took a blank packing slip and he wrote a note on it, and it says, "It's insane, this exists, appreciate this place, and learn something new every session. Skate on, Andy," said by a taco, so that's really cool. And on the packing slip itself is an additional note, so congrats, that is epic. I hope it's surreal for you, and that it has been for us. Thanks so much for the long-term support. I wrote the quote on the separate label, "Keep Shredding Andy." So 2 different things, a thank you and the inspirational quote. So I'm gonna lay these out, take a quick clip of it, and then we'll jump over to the skate.